In 2011, NASA's Swift satellite detected something strange: powerful flares from a galaxy in Draco. What astronomers found was incredible. A dormant black hole had awoken by devouring a passing star. As the star was ripped apart, a jet of particles launched from the black hole's center, and it was aimed straight at Earth. This rare alignment made it appear brighter than ever. A star's death cry beamed across the cosmos. In 2014, astronomers spotted the death of a star 290 million light-years away. A supermassive black hole pulled it apart, forming a glowing disk of X-rays. Telescopes like Chandra and Swift captured the moment, as streams of gas spiraled in and a fierce wind blew outward. A silent, radiant end to a star like our own. Neutron stars are among the strangest objects in the universe. Just 12 miles wide, but heavier than our sun. In this rare simulation, two of them spiral toward each other, locked in a death dance shaped by gravity. The smaller one weighs 1.4 solar masses, the other, 1.7. They're separated by only 11 miles. Their surfaces crack, tides deform them. Though dense, neutron stars are fragile under extreme forces. As they get closer, their magnetic fields twist. Radiation builds. By the 7th millisecond, the smaller star is torn apart. Superheated matter sprays out into space, forming spiral arms of plasma. At 13 milliseconds, the larger star collapses. Gravity wins, and a black hole is born. Its event horizon, the point of no return, seals shut. Around it, leftover matter forms a torus, hot, spinning, and 200 kilometers wide. This single collision unleashes more energy in seconds than our galaxy produces in a year. Scientists believe such events create short gamma-ray bursts, brief, powerful flashes that race across the cosmos. They may last less than 2 seconds, but they speak of violent creation, cosmic death, and the birth of a new black hole. In early 2019, astronomers witnessed something extraordinary. For the first time, a black hole consuming a star was captured, from beginning to end. The event was named ASASIN 19BT. Discovered by a global network of telescopes known as ASASIN, it occurred in the continuous viewing zone of NASA's TESS satellite. That meant the satellite had an uninterrupted view, every moment, from the first flare to the final fade. As the star approached the black hole, it was pulled apart by extreme tidal forces. The material formed an accretion disk, heating to millions of degrees, radiating intense energy. Meanwhile, telescopes on Earth and in space, Swift, XMM, Newton, Las Cumbres, turned their gaze to the blast. The entire death of a sun-like star, mapped in perfect detail. Over weeks, the light faded, the disk cooled. What remained was data that gave scientists the most complete timeline of a tidal disruption event ever recorded. A cosmic autopsy, not just of a dying star, but of the monster that devoured it.